Alright. I seen you have made it to random springs in a random town with springs zone. So we're gonna find it, man. But alright. Ha ha ha, Sonic. What is this? I mean, Subway the Hedgehog. Hey, you said my name wrong first time. How dare you, headless man? Hey, you said my goddamn name wrong, so shut up. I gotta spike you. I have beaten the zone, and there's a red bird. Be free, Flicky! Be free! Oh my god. Be free! Alright, I threw it into the sky. Now let's go.
No, you didn't.
Oh, it's the living forever bird! How are you not? Bye, Flicky, bye-bye, see you next time. Alright. Well, see you in... Oh no. Oh!